Serenity now, insanity later. Never mind stress, we have a new beauty loop. Actually, the first official beauty loop of the year. The other one was Beauty Loop Loves, which is a bit different. This is the first free one! And of course I went straight away and picked it up, which kind of happened by accident, but you know, yay! Anyway, so let's have a look. And box. Ooh! Yay! So level 3, because I am that crazy. I did buy some stuff though. Well, I got a sample of the new Mecca Cosmetica matte serum, because I'm still struggling to find a sun cream that I really like. Like, the other one is okay, but maybe matte will be better in this humidity, so I'll find out soon enough. And I also got a sharpener, because I already have a sharpener for my eyeliner, but I thought I'd get a different one for my lip liner so I don't contaminate them. And the eyeliner one is NARS, this one's Mecca Max. Hopefully it works just as well. But yeah, anyway, on to the main event. Beauty Loop level 3. So they're all a little bit different, I think. There's one thing that everyone gets, and the rest is kind of... Alright, so, writing. Inside your Beauty Loop box, you'll discover some of our current favourites gathered in one place for you to test, try, and love. Love your best friend in beauty. Alright. We got a card. That new beauty feeling. Text. Feel the beauty rush. We know you love the thrill of trying something new. Yes, yes. So we've curated a selection of beauty treats that give you an instant rush of joy with every swipe. I'm not sure about that. Including so this is the main one that everyone gets. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Maybe you need to shorten the name a bit. An internet favorite for instant hydration and a bouncy glow. If it's an internet favorite, surely everyone who wants to try it has already tried it. Except for me, because I'm still new to it all. If it brings you joy, use it to the last drop. Love Beauty Loop. Alright. Marketing's hilarious. Anyway, so yeah, Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Hydrating and soothing. I mean, I do need... So it's got hyaluronic acid and antioxidants, but you can barely read it because the text goes over the pips in the watermelon. Graphic design these days. Yeah, oil-free, cool, daily moisturizer, juicy hydration, for long-lasting lit-from-within glow, blah blah blah. Oh, it's also got a soothing blend of jasmine and peony extract to brighten and prep the skin for the day ahead. So after serum, smooth a pea-sized amount onto skin morning and night and pat until fully absorbed. I mean, you know, once I run out of my CeraVe, which is a little bit much, I do want to try and figure out what moisturizer I like, especially to go under makeup. I mean, usually I wait a few hours before I do makeup, because I don't really wear makeup during the day. It's usually like night events. But, you know, I'll give it a go. Well, decent size. How many mils is that? A lot. 25 mils. Alright, cool. Sorry, my light is a little bit over the top. And the focus is completely off. That's what you get for watching someone who is not a professional YouTuber. Oh dear. By the way, my condolences if you got here by accident. I more do this for the amusement or dismay of my regular followers who generally don't give a crap. But yeah, I know some people accidentally get here. So what's this? Oh, Lano Lips. 101 ointment, salted coconut. Oh no. And mango sorbet. Yeah, okay, Lano Lips, a lot of people in the Mecca group think it's great. So, you know, apply to lips and skin? Wait a minute. Oh, so for extremely dry lips, cuticles, and skin. Tiny if you're going to put it on the rest of your skin. Like, for lips, sure. Maybe cuticles, sure. But for the rest of your skin? I mean, I know it's like a sample, but... Yeah, coconut. I think I'll give that to my mum. She'll be very happy. I just can't do the coconut thing. I don't want to be reminded of my ex every time I put something on my lips in particular. Like, come on. Alright, next. Oh, this is a good one. I like this. We have CEO Afterglow, Sunday Riley. I've had this before. We had this in level 2 before I upgraded, like this one and a couple of other things, and I quite like Sunday Riley. And CEO, so that's like a vitamin C thing, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, like I'm still kind of, you know, I did get that insane vitamin C that I can't pronounce, but that's only a nighttime one, and I need one during the day. I think this is a moisturizing, oh, it's brightening vitamin C cream. It might be actually different to the one that I... Did I get CEO Afterglow? I don't know. Have a look at my past videos if you really care. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a moisturizer, not a syrup. And so what I really want is a serum, but I will happily use it as a moisturizer. I mean, maybe. I haven't actually tried it with makeup, so maybe that's the thing. And then it should be one more. Ooh. It's a perfume. I cannot pronounce that either, so I'll just say YSL. Myself. Oh, that's kind of cute because they're YSL, so it's myself. I like perfumes. I collect them. And, you know, that whole sensory therapy video that I did. How do I open this? The intelligence tests that these people put me through. Oh, okay, it's not like that. It's, I have to actually break it to open it. It smells nice already, like what I can get. So, yeah. Cool. Oh, there's the English. The first YSL Beauty Woody Floral for a contrasted trail of modernity. Fresh and vibrant accord at first. Raw and beating orange blossom at heart. Sensual and textured woods at last. A faceted fragrance, like the spectrum of a new masculinity. My scent myself. Yeah, so... okay, is it meant to be a men's fragrance? Not that I give a shit, because I already have plenty of, like, more masculine ones. Interesting choice to put in a box that mostly chicks are into. Like, I've explained to some guys, and they're like, partners or wives, they, go to Mecca, and I'm like, oh, see, you know, I'm level 3, you know what that means? And they're like, no, I don't. And, so clearly it's not the dudes. I mean, some dudes, but mostly it's chicks. So interesting choice. Then again, I suppose some chicks would spray it all over their man if they don't like masculine stuff. And maybe that's another way to sell things to people. Should I spray a bit on me now, although I'm going to bed? Oh no, I'm going to bed. And, you know, maybe... Oh, the actual spray action is nice. Yeah, okay, I can see what they mean masculine. I like it though. I still haven't shown you guys the cologne that I got. Now, cologne doesn't necessarily mean it's a men's thing. Eau de parfum is about strength, so that's stronger than an eau de toilet. I know that's not how you pronounce it, but it makes me laugh every time. And that's stronger than a cologne. But yeah, no. I like it. I like it. I wouldn't buy it, but I like it. That's going in my collection of perfumes. And that's my Beauty Loop box. Now, you may not get the same items. I did see, I think all of them will have a fragrance though, because when I looked at the preview, they all seem to have fragrances, at least for level 3. That's it. I hope that was interesting. I need to get to bed. I need to actually put Triton to bed. I had to kick him out because he was so restless. That's my puppy, for those of you who came here just for the Beauty Loop and didn't leave once I finished showing you the stuff for some reason. But yeah, and then there's just frustrating things in my life at the moment because people don't understand me. Yeah, never mind. That's a rant for another day. Or maybe in private.